turning on or switching off the Nokia 3310 3G legacy device. This is quite an old model now. So press and hold on this button here will allow us to boot up the device. So just hold it for a second or two. If it does not switch on, you may need to hold a little bit longer. Just wait for a few seconds for the phone to boot up. Shortly you can see the Nokia logo up here, and then followed by a tone, a boot up tone. So this is the legacy basic phone with GG. It's no longer supported. A lot of the country has now cut out the 3G and 2G signal. So even if you put in the SIM card, it will not work. So here we got the menu. This is the navigation button. You can navigate left and right to go around the menu. To go back, we can press on the button here. And if you press and hold on this same button, the power button, this will allow you to switch off the device, but you need to unlock it first. So we're just going to press on that and then the start button, and then just press and hold on that button. This should allow you to switch off your Nokia device. And that's it. Thanks for watching.